everybody in India to his faith. And if they didn't convert, they'd be persecuted, they'd be killed. And as a result, the Kashmiri Pandits then resorted into taking sanctuary in the 9th Guru's court, in Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib's court. Because that was the only person, the only person that could help them. And the Guru at the time, their son, there is a lot of history that's been 10 years old, probably so once you've done the reading, and you have to be a reader to do this, you have to read and read, because there's lots of stories.
Proprio per lui questo. Oh, the other guy is the vlogger. I know. No. Just come in. Where are you? Yeah, they normally do. There is Yeah, so the car normally comes down.
Thank you so much. That was an incredible performance. Please give it up. It's no small thing to be on this massive stage.
1 second, just stay on stage. Yeah, sorry, Shani, I didn't mean to cut you off. No, I was just going to say, how amazing were they?
Please give them a massive round of applause.
I think it's okay to do that. It's okay to do that. And also, all the parents who are in the crowd, give us a big wave. Well done. What beautiful, wonderful children you have. How lucky are you? So give a wave to your parents. You can stand up and do it, but thank you. Adam Academy. Amazing.
So stay with us. We have got the guests coming up and we'll be back shortly. So much food for today. So stick around.
And everybody who's taking your pictures, please hashtag Vaisakhi LDN. Okay, so take loads of pictures. I know you all got phones. Most of you have probably got 2 phones each. So hashtag Vaisakhi LDN. So it's amazing to be able to take it. So please.
Are you going back?
Good man.
No, 100% hold. No wheeling. Nice, so nothing to
Thank you.
stand up for the pure and innocent race of Christ.
Thank you very much.
On Vaisakhi 1699, the great Guru Gobind Singh Ji stood on a platform in front of a very large congregation, and they demanded to the entire congregation, is there any child of a Sikh who is willing to give their head? This was a test of faith, devotion, humility, love, and sacrifice. 5 beloved Sikhs who offered themselves one by one and passed the test of the Guru are known today as the 5 beloved ones. The Guru blessed them with ambrosial nectar and liberated them from the cycle of birth and death, whilst living in the world still and serving the world. They represent the leadership of the collective and the pure army known as the Khalsa, Army of the Immaculate. This event marked the visible sprouting of the teachings of all the Sikh Gurus. Guru Gobind Singh Ji, in the year 1699, he revitalized. They gave birth to the Khalsa. The mission of the Khalsa is to fight for food and freedom for everybody around the world, regardless of faith, caste, gender, color, age, etc. Deg Fateh is the term that's used. It means food and freedom is the victory that we strive for. This is why we remember this day known as Khalsa Sajna Divas, the day the Khalsa Panth was created. It's born from submitting and surrendering our ego, complete submission, complete love. We as Sikhs sitting here today try to follow that same mission. The Khalsa is like a lighthouse. When a ship is trying to reach the shore, trying to reach land, and it's dark, it doesn't know where it's going. It has no guide. The good Sikhs, the Khalsa in the world are meant to be like the lighthouse. They are meant to shine. They are meant to help. And in the same way, Sikhs dastars or turbans, Sikhs attire, Sikhs words all represent this, standing out in the face of darkness. We can all try to do this. The way we speak, the way we talk, the way we interact. We want to become completely selfless. Be so humble that you don't care about selfish things, about what I have and what other people think about me. No. We want to think what the greater cause. What's greater for humanity? We want to make this world more righteous. And along with that, these virtues, these acts of love, when we can set ourselves and our needs, when we are able to use this that is why it's not just music. Just like a man, sacrifice yourself for another is an executed in the rest of his life. A Sikh actively sacrificing himself instead of his religion and singing of the hymn, which implies a one Don't chase after vices. Sikhs strive to be warriors externally and achieve spirituality and attain enlightenment internally. Sikh soldiers. For Sikhs, the importance of the Sakhi is to be moving from a life sacrifice and awakening the love for the brilliance of others. That is what the concept is. You will be able to celebrate service yourself, that he has been doing the Khalsa and sacrifice himself for your person. Who is the Khalsa?
Yalla, let's
that he was the creator and hero of everything.
क्या भी लड़नी है अपना
The flowers of love to blossom in this life. While talking about the many mistakes, please forgive me. One who did the first one, one who did the other.
If we were watching it, what was it like? No. That would have been like that Van Persie yes goal, innit?
Please sing with us.